here it's again some powerful wind. I don't know if you will hear it on the recording or not. Let me unplug this and let's see the differences with the Galaxy Note 9 in this moment. Now we have the microphones from the Galaxy Note 9, we have the wind blowing, and we have this fountain in the background. It's a very noisy place here. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I just bought this microphone. It's a Boya MM1. It's compatible with smartphones, tablet, with DSLR cameras, with any audio recorder, and these are the specifications. Let's see what do we have in the box, and we will make a test after that, and we will test also the wind. It's very important how this microphone it's recording in wind conditions. Inside we have some instructions, and this is the package. You will receive here this mount. You can use it on any tripod or any system to compatible with this system. I want to use this microphone with a gimbal for smartphone, so this is very important, and I will show you how to mount this on a gimbal in excellent conditions. In the package you receive two cables for the microphone. This one is for your smartphone, so this microphone doesn't require any batteries. All you have to do is to plug in this cable either in your smartphone or your camera. As I said, you receive two cables. This is for your smartphone, as you can see, with three rings here on this plug, on this jack. This is for the smartphone, and this is for the microphone with two rings. The other cable, this one, is for your camera, for DSLR. The camera doesn't need a three-ring jack. As you can see, it has only two rings. What else do we have here? Immediately we will show the microphone too. You will get a pouch for the microphone. This is it. And this is the mic. This is how it looks. Boya MM1. This is the microphone, and this is the wind protection. It's a professional windshield for the microphone, so if you want to take quality recordings in wind conditions, to the shore of the sea, or in town, you need something like this. I know it's big, but without this, you may know it also as a dead cat. Without this windshield protection, you won't get quality audio for your recordings, so it's impossible. And here you have the microphone. This is it. It's very small, as you can see it next to my finger. I was expecting a bigger microphone from the reviews, but it's great because it's small and I can use it with my gimbal, as you can see it here. So it's a directional microphone, so it will take the sound from that direction where you point it. It will take the sound from there. Okay, a final look at the microphone, and after that we will go and make a test. Okay, this is a test with the smartphone microphone, and now let me plug in the Boya MM1. Now it's the Boya MM1. This is the sound from the Galaxy Note 9. So this is the Boya MM1. the same route as we had with the Galaxy Note 9, and I don't know how you will hear it, what it will be the quality. It's enough noise here. We have a fountain, we have some wind, and we have a lot of traffic in this city. And we will check the sound quality with this microphone. Now the Boya MM1 is oriented in my direction. It has the windshield protection, and I think it will be a huge difference in the sound quality, because this windshield protection, it has a great impact on the sound quality. So let's check the quality of the sound with the Galaxy Note 9 microphones. After that I will plug in the Boya MM1 and we will see the differences in the sound quality. So let's go to this fountain, and after that we will have the same route with the Boya MM1. Remember, this is the Galaxy Note 9. Now we are reaching the fountain again. This is a fountain, and this is my voice in all this huge sound. It's very loud, the sound made by the fountain, and we have in the back the noise from the city. So I believe it will be a huge difference, because the Boya MM1 has that windshield protection, and it will do an amazing job. So let's check the sound and let's see the differences in quality. Now closer to the fountain, I hope I won't fall in it, and let's go here to check some traffic and to see how is the sound quality here next to these cars. And we have again here some wind. I can hear very loud the cars. I don't know how the quality of this recording it will be. And again, the Boya microphone, it's oriented in my direction. It's now almost half of a meter distance between me and the microphone. I am using the Galaxy Note 9 and the gimbal 2 with that extension arm. So I hope you can now see the differences between Boya MM1 and the microphones from a very expensive smartphone. And here it's again some powerful wind. I don't know if you will hear it on the recording or not. Let me unplug this and let's see the differences with the Galaxy Note 9 in this moment. Now we have the microphones from the Galaxy Note 9, we have the wind blowing, and we have this fountain in the background. It's a very noisy place here. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.